guys, welcome to Sleep Master, and today we are gonna see our 10th class chapter, which is real number, the first chapter. So we are gonna be seeing the exercise 1 of example problems. So there are gonna be 10 questions in each exercise, or even more, or even less. So we can't say. So let's just solve the following exercise given here. So the first question is for some integer m, every even integer is in the form of. So integer, it's given that. So he says there is a m. That's m. So what's an even integer? So m. So if you take 1, so then m value is same. So now if you take m plus 1, then now there we take m value is 1, then we get even. But if we take m value as 2, then we get odd answer. And 2m, 2m, so then we take m value as 1, so we get 2. M value is 2, then we get 4. This is possible. So the answer of the first question is 2m. So the second question, every odd integer is in the form of. So as how we already checked, this is not possible in the form here. So if we take a 2 plus 1, we get 3. But if we take a 3 plus 1, we get 4. So that is not actually possible in this. So we take a 2q plus 1. So as we see here, we get always even when we take a 2q. So even if you take any number, it comes 2q, then we get an even number. So plus 1 is always odd. So then the answer is this. So if n square minus 1 is divisible by 8, then n is. Now we take some value in place of n. 1 square minus 1 is equal to 8. Let's just think. Okay guys, it's just error method, it's cross checking method. 0 is equal to 8. It's not possible. Next, let's try 2 square minus 1 is equal to 8. 4 minus 1, which is 7, but it's given 8. So this is also not correct. Then 3 square minus 1 is equal to 8. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. This is correct. So the answer is an odd integer. In the fourth question, there's a few corrections, guys. The answer, these all answers are wrong. The answers given here are wrong, and this m value, this is unwanted because everything is wrong. You just find out the HCF of those two things, because when you find out the HCF and find the m value, it does not come. So just find out the HCF, guys. So I'll tell you the easy way to find out the HCF. You just do the division method. So when you do that, you take 165, then 52, then this number you just get it over here, then you do the same thing, 52, then you get 13, this number over here, 52, then just divide by, then you get for 4, then 52, 0, 0. The HCF is 4, but if we take in the value of this, according to this, 65m minus 117 is equal to 4. So the value is different actually. 65m is equal to 121. So when we divide it, m is equal to 121 by 635. It's not even possible. When you multiply this by 2 and you multiply this by 2, what do you get? 242. And what do you get down? 130. It's nowhere equal, and it does not is not even possible. So guys, the question is actually wrong. Just find out the HCF it's given, and that's all fine because the question is wrong. We can't do anything about it. The largest number which divides 70 and 121 leaves a remainder 5 and 8. So this is very easy, guys. So leaves a remainder 5 and 8. So what does that mean? So when 70 is divided by something, let's take some number x, we get a remainder 5. So what do? Let's just subtract 5 from 70 and 65. So what number when we subtract, we get a remainder 0. From the options, 13 is possible. So when we divide 13 with 65, we get a 0. So we get an answer 13 for the first number. And if we do that the subtraction and again division, we get a 13 for the same. So the answer is 13. The next question is, if two positive integers a and b are written as a is equal to x cube y square and b is written as x y cube and x and y are prime numbers, then HCF of a and b is. So HCF is common what we say numbers. So x square y square x y cube. So what are common here? Here x is common, here x y square is common. So what's the answer? X y square. Everything is easy, guys. The 10th class syllabus, it's almost easy. If two positive numbers, and here they are finding the LCM, not the HCF. Guys, the least common multiple of this is a cube b square. So because we just take this. The next is the product of non-zero rational and irrational number. So this is a direct question from your textbooks or whatever we are learning. So the answer of this is always an irrational. It's just a remembering thing. The next is the least number that is divisible by all numbers from 1 to 10, both inclusive is. So the least number which is divisible from all numbers of 1 to 10 is let's just check it. So the first option 1 to 10, it's not divisible, it's not possible at all. Then there's the second, the 100. So for 3 it's not possible for 100 because 3 into 33 where it is 99, so 100 cannot come for all. Then for 504, so 504 5, it's not there, so it cannot come. The last number 2520. So when we check this value, it comes for anything. So even for 9 and even for 10, it's all possible. So the value is this and it's correct. And guys, this is the last question. The decimal expansion of rational numbers that it will be terminated after. So this is the termination for the whole thing. So this is 4-digit number and this is a 5-digit number. So easily we can just say 4 decimal places because this is the 4-digit number. Thank you for all for watching this video. Like and subscribe and check out my other channels also for more fun and interesting videos. Bye guys.